One fine day, so he's called me. Hiral, I need to discuss something very urgent with you. Hiral, do you remember we had gone for this one wedding? And there I had made eye contact with this one girl. And she had smiled at me and I smiled back at her.
I have a few special shout outs, and the first shout out is to Vikas Bhai and Hiral, my cousin and my brother-in-law, for choosing each other, because if they wouldn't have chosen each other, there would have been no Raj and Mithu story.
I was the only one this century to remind you all is fine.
So he's asked me, Hiral, we had been to this wedding in 2018. You remember I liked this girl? I found her very cute.
Every truth there is a mystery with the vision so divine.
So I said, yeah, but what about it? Why are you talking about it now? So he said, bro, look at my Bumble profile. So he said, bro, we matched.
I wish that I had met you when your heart was safe to hold.
Now it's closer to 24 hours. You know, there's only up to 24 hours that you match with someone on Bumble, then that match goes away. So this guy has extended that 24 hours for another 24 hours. Because he really wants to match with Mithali. But now Mithali at this point has still not messaged him at all. There's this one friend of theirs called Varun, who's a mutual friend. So he has gotten into the picture and he has asked Mithali to just give it a shot and speak to Raj once, and he's not looking for anything in the arranged marriage, route.
Everyone says this, it's all on me, it's all on me. But yeah, somewhere I'll take some credit for it. But it was destiny because you two are perfect together. And I always told you all this. I always told you all that you all will match. There is no harm, there is nothing that can go wrong between you all because you all are just perfect for each other.
The first time that they speak, Raj speaks to someone until 4 a.m. in the morning. And he tells me, bro, Hiral, man, I've had the best night, I've had the best conversation of my life.
तू जो है तो सब कुछ है ना कोई कमी है.
It turns out that she's really interested and we're going to go on and we're going to go for a date, we're going to speak for longer.
What can I say? I mean, we're going to put it in words. Maybe this is one day I've been waiting for. Although it's happened twice now.
I think it was the best decision of their lives.
Most of all, I want to thank Hiru for giving me the joy and the privilege of having a sibling.
Having Mithali in our lives has been kind of life-changing for us. She has been more than a sister-in-law. She's been more like a sister to me. Above everything else, I know that she loves Raj with all her heart. And that is something that I will always love about her most. And I know that she makes my brother so happy and Raj makes her so happy.
अच्छा बट टेल मी, am I allowed to drink today or no?
सब लोग बहुत दारू पीना and like don't hold back.
किसी को पूछ मत, बस ले ले.